We're going to look at an application called Voicethread. So to sign up for your account, go to www.voicethread.com. When you're on the home page, click Create. Click on Add Media and you will get all those options. We'll just grab a photo. It will prompt you to give your Voicethread a title. It might take a while to upload your photo or whatever you've chosen to put there. Now go to the comment box. When you click on the plus, you have a number of options. You can type in text. You could make a phone call, or you can add your voice, or you could add a little bit of video comment. Most likely ones for us at this stage, add your voice or type in text. We'll add a voice. Italian soldiers at the 75th anniversary celebrations in El Alamein, Egypt. Note the cool hats. Click on Save. If you want to add more slides, just go here and you should at some point see a plus. Click on Edit. Okay, now to add more media, just click on plus. And we have those options again.